So, g'day people, how you going? My name is Glenn, and today's cold. Bloody cold. And that's what we call it, bloody cold. So, if you're outside and it's hot, you call it bloody hot. But today is bloody cold, bloody wet, it's out on the road, bloody windy, and it's bloody cold. It's only about 8 degrees. I live in Melbourne. It only usually gets around down to about 5 degrees. And well, that is not as cold as Russia. Minus 30. What the hell, man? No way. But still, this is winter in Australia. Cold and wet. There is no snow. No snow at all. Melbourne doesn't get snow. You want snow, you have to go to the mountains. And the mountains probably about an hour away. So, and well, this is gonna go on until next week, mainly because this all comes roughly from Antarctica. So Antarctica is, well, the southern polar current, and it's really cold. That's where all the, whenever Melbourne gets cold weather, that's where it comes from, and hot weather get from north, which is usually coming from the desert. Yeah, sorry, the bird's telling me to shut up. So, when you're in Australia and you want to talk about the weather, just talk about the bloody weather. So put bloody in it. I was watching a movie, 1960s, about 18 immigrants that come over to Australia. And in that they used the term bloody. And the police officers in that movie said that that is a swear word. Well, it's a swear word. But these days it's not classed as a swear word, not like, fuck or cunt. It's just bloody. It's just part of the vocabulary. So I'm going to bloody Melbourne. It's bloody cold. The bloody plane didn't take off in time. So, for the weather, use the bloody weather. I better go inside. It's bloody getting dark. Or it's getting bloody dark. Hope this confuses you, but I hope you learn something as well. Have a nice day, mates.